There's a demand for welders, and a certificate from Lincoln Trail College can help prepare you to find a job in today's competitive job market. Lincoln Trail College's welding program will help you develop the in-demand skills you need for a successful career in the metal manufacturing and construction industries. Welders today receive higher than average starting pay, good benefits, and a bright future. Lincoln Trail College's welding program combines classroom instruction with hands-on training to help prepare you for your career. Want even more in-demand skills? Some LTC students combine the welding program with industrial management or process technology to make them even more workforce ready. What are you waiting for? Apply for free today at iecc.edu/LTC and let the trail be your path to success.